Alright, so may nakita akong video sa sa YouTube ko, no, na nagso-scroll ako. Itong SB19 story ni John Pratt. So medyo na curious ako, so panoorin na natin.
Visually as a director.
Okay, ano to?
You think visually as a director, no? And ganyan na ngayon ang mga younger artists natin, especially yung mga P-pop groups like SB19 who are leading the way in the industry. Do you know them?
Yeah, I work with them ito muli lang.
Ganun ba?
For Casey's concert.
So si Master John Pratt yung nun, yung sa concert ni Miss Casey Tandingan. Siya yung parang director ba noon o producer? Anong nangyari doon? Bakit?
About them?
Well, they're humble.
Talaga?
Directing SB19, they're so humble. Although nabitan ako kasi I've directed the 2 songs lang nila kasi guest sila kay
ano po yun?
Kay Casey. But I'm really looking forward to work with them full concert. Yun naman yung
okay.
Pero ang galing nila, magaling talaga sila, perfection. I saw them when I was briefing them, they were rehearsing the prod.
Okay.
Na alam na naman nila yun, but they're still rehearsing it, 'di ba? So parang ang ganda lang kasi
adjust ko lang ha.
Before, I can see na
ulit natin kasi na-adjust yung camera.
When I was briefing them, they were rehearsing the prod. Na alam na naman nila yun, but they're still rehearsing it, 'di ba? So parang ang ganda lang kasi ako as a performer before, I can see na parang, I was once like that. Na I want perfection on stage. I want to give my best. So SB19 is more like that.
Bakit yun nasabing humble? Is there a...
Ang bait eh. Like, the respect na first time ko sila.
The fuck?
Grabe yung sincerity niya nung sinabi niyo ang bait.
Di ba? Di ba, men? Ito na nga sinasabi ko, pre. Kasi ako, meron kasi ako ding may something sa akin na kapag alam mo, may nakita ako, hindi naman siya parang ginajudge kita agad, no? Pero may something lang talaga sa akin na pag may nakita ako, may napansin ako, or parang kunwari nakausap, or na may napanood akong video tungkol sa taong to, makita ko the way sila makipag-usap, the way sila gumalaw, parang malalaman ko na agad kung humble ba siya o fake humble. Parang gano'n. May instinct, hindi ko alam, instinct ata tawag doon, pero sa SB19, sa sobrang tagal ko na silang pinapanood, wala akong nakitang kahit isang video o clip na mayabang sila, or alam mo yun, sobrang light nila, sobrang wala silang pake, sobrang alam mo yun, parang yung nila parang live the moment, ganon. Ayaw nila ng hate sa katawan, sobrang kaya totoo tong sabi ni Sir John Pratt dito, pero sobrang totoo to.
My best. So SB19 is more like that.
Bakit yun nasabing humble? Is there a...
Ang bait eh. Like, the respect na first time ko silang...
Grabe yung sincerity niya nung sinabi niyo ang bait.
But the way they approach me, the way I approach them, we're sobrang connected agad. Parang direct, sige, anong gagawin namin.
Wow.
Ito kasi I had a special reveal with them, so ganyan. So sinusundan nila. And they're so easy to direct. So sabi ko nga, nabitin talaga ako.
Do they also think visually like you? Do you see that maybe one of them will become a director then?
Maybe.
Inagawan mo pa ng trabaho ngayon si John Pratt. Kung director yung trabaho no?
So easy to direct. So sabi ko nga, nabitin talaga ako.
Do they also think visually like you? Do you see that maybe one of them will become a director then?
Maybe. But hindi ko pa masabi kasi 2 prods lang yung nagawa ko. Guest lang sila nung time na yun. But I don't know, if I work with them in the future, a full concert, I'll find out.
As a director ba, kayo din ang in charge or you have a say kung ano yung susuotin nila? How they look on stage?
Okay.
Kung ano yung babagay sa visuals ko, sa LED, sa lights, and sa prod.
Talaga? And you always think of how to bring out the best in an artist or another side of the artist?
Depende on the objective of the show. Like if you want to,
gusto ko yung tanong niya, no, parang akala mo parang no, parang basic question lang siya, no, pero napaka-interesting no. Lalo na yung aso. Sa mga naghahanap ng aso, yan na. Masaya ba kayo? Naririnig niyo yan? Punyeta. Yan. Manahimik kayo? Okay. Just ignore that. What the F? No? So yung question niya doon is, nilalabas mo ba daw yung best o yung other side? Meaning yung side na hindi nakikita ng tao. Wow, ang galing nitong nagtatanong Okay.
syempre we wanna show the different side of the artist. But if the artist is celebrating herself and depende sa
trip niya.
Like now, Nina, I wanna stick on her core. Diba? Na parang si Nina naman kasi nasa estado na siya na wala naman siyang dapat i-reinvent. Wala naman siyang dapat
Sino Nina?
patunayan.
Yung singer?
Kasi Nina na siya. So we'll stick to that.
Parang it would feel strange kung super reinvent si Nina we love her for who she is.
Yeah, no need na baka ang mangyari kapag ginawa mo yung mga ganong moves, baka parang
ano yun?
Bakit kailangan ba yan? Diba? Hindi naman kailangan eh. Kasi
Alright.
icon na siya eh.
My last question, going back to the P-pop groups, especially SB19 you've worked with, they're trying to, or if not already, conquer the international stage. What's your advice to them on how to think as far as their looks go, their music videos, their visually? Kasi everyone comments about them musically, but visually, the look, what can you say?
Well, SB19 in particular, they have a great team behind them already. So,
may team ba?
Asan sila ngayon, it's because of the team behind them.
Oh, so, I like that.
For me, wala silang ginagawang mali. So, ibig sabihin, just keep doing what you're doing, guys. Continue evolving and continue representing our country. Kasi sobrang nakaka-proud naman talaga yun na, di ba, nakakapaglagay na tayo ng tuldok sa iba't ibang lugar sa mundo. So,
dang, imagine mo, what the fuck? Imagine mo, pre. Man, ang amazing nun, no? Wow, may parang nasa ulap pa rin talaga tayong lahat sa mga pangyayari, no? Wow, okay.
We'll never know kung saan sila and I wish them well and I just hope na sana mas lalo pa silang maging successful and just keep your, kumbaga yung humble attitude nila.
May favorite music video ka ba nila? That you've seen or wala pa?
Wala pa, but I definitely love Gento. I mean, why? It's not just because it's popular.
Parang nasagot niya na lang agad bigla yun, no? Kasi grabe naman kasi yung tanong. Siyempre, iba-iba naman tayo ng mga pinapanood eh. Malay mo ba? Tsaka busy tao yun si Sir John Prats. May mga tinututukan. Tsaka siyempre, mga iba din yung mga trip niya. Eh, ngayon lang na ano sa kanya. Hindi naman yung parang kagaya sa atin na 18 na panoorin natin lahat. Ganun ba? Nabigla siya doon, napasagot na siya ng Gento, no? Pero I like the attitude of the interviewer na hindi niya parang hot seat yung ini-interview niya, yung parang ano niya, or wala ka ba bang napanood or ano, parang ganoon ba, parang he is giving options para hindi maipit si Sir John Prats. So goods yun.
That you've seen or wala pa?
Wala pa, but I definitely love Gento. I mean, why? It's not just because it's popular. It's because ang galing nung craze na nagawa niya. Na-amaze ako. And sabi ko nga yung galing nila as a performer. Okay, given, galing. Sikat sila. Pero ang na-amaze ako on how they create their music. They know kung ano yung identity nila.
Oo, tama.
Kaya ko sila ina-admire.
That's good. So, that was it. Tapos biglang sumilip si Justin dito. Isang oras yung live ni Justin dito. So, that was it. Coming from Master John Prats, the director, the artist, the performer, all around din yun si Master John Prats, pre. Kaya, his words are credited talaga at maaasahan, diba? Sa kanya na nanggaling na humble yung mga boys. So, sampal na lang yun sa mga ibang punyeta na hindi makagets at hindi makarelate, no? Pero ako kasi nakikita ko na agad. Hindi ako ako personally, ayoko nag-idolize ng mga ayoko nag-idolize ng mga punyeta eh. Evidently, na-idolize yung SB19 means na mabuti silang tao pa eh. Ganun lang kasimple yun, men. Hindi na magkakaroon ng fanbase yan kung mga pangit ugali niyan eh, kung may mga ano eh, di ba? Kasi sa totoo lang, sobrang tagal na akong nanonood ng mga videos nila, interviews nila. Wala talagang masamang tinapay sa kanila, men eh. SB19 is the best. Ha? Yeah, ha? Wala. Walang makakatalo. So yun lang, this has been good interview and that's nice. So comment pa kayo kung anong panoorin natin. And subscribe kayo kasi manonood tayo ng mga SB19 stories, yung series noon, tsaka SB19 yung mga single ano nila kay Master Casual Chuck, yung mga stories nila. Subscribe na kayo kasi para pag lumabas, ma-notify kayo. So that's it. This has been Curbs PH, guys, and always remember, you are amazing.